if we can or not, okay? So I want you to read from here, please, from the page number 19. So what is that? A goes with seen, E goes with seen.
Us
Us.
is us.
Very good. A goes with sheen.
Us is us.
Excellent. What the next one?
Us is us.
In swad, I told you how to perform the swad, because swad is one of important letter and a heavy letter. Us, the shape of your mouth, like us. See, look at me. How to make it heavy? Us, circle.
Us.
As you read it, your shape will change. Us, but in seen, as. We pronounce seen and swad, as a word like seen in Urdu. We read this one as, this one also as. This is also us. This was also us in English and in Urdu. But in Arabic, this one is us, the simple one, us with happy face. And in this one, us. Close your mouth and circle your mouth. Make it heavy. Us. What the next one?
Is.
Yes. Yes. Heavy, heavy.
Is.
Yes. Yes. What the next one?
Us.
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 Us is us. The heavy letter will remain
Us
heavy.
is
Okay.
us.
Very good. And the all letters are coming heavy letters here. The next one. What is this one?
Us
What?
is
No, no, not much. That it is not that much easy, man. Aldo. How to say it?
odd. Odd.
My expression, how I'm doing what heavy and with full power. Aldo. Ildo. Uldo. Yes. For heavy thing, you need your power, to use it. Okay. You need your energy. Okay. So this one is aldo, ildo, uddo. How to say it?
Odd is odd.
Excellent. And the next one is, it is to, but there is another condition. See, there is a symbol. Yes, sakin. The
That's the
sakin.
bounce symbol, I
Yes,
think.
you're right. The bounce letter, the qalqala. So we need to
Odd.
qalqala one
Odd.
and heavy letter. Alto.
Otto is Otto.
Very good. Alto, ilto, uddo. But in Urdu, we read to as ta. Okay, we pronounce to as ta in Urdu. This is big mistake. So therefore, we need more, attention to read to properly. To is heavy one, and when is to sakin and it has sukun, we read it with bounce also. Heavy and bounce. Two, ये देखो अतो इतो ओतो. Okay.
Otto
Quality.
is Otto.
It has two qualities. Okay, now we go up and come on this one. So what is this now? The
Up
letter
is
is
Off.
va. In this one also two, yes, the two qualities letters are here also. Va has two heavy one, musta'aliya and the bounce. What is that? Heavy and bounce. Look at your screen, beta. Keep looking at your screen. Bounce and heavy in to, auto, ito, auto. And in the, soft and heavy. You need to read soft
Of.
using your edge of your tongue. And of, ilv.
Of. Also is Oz.
Okay, so what will happen if you read it only simple and only soft? So it will be like dal. Yes. If you say av
Of
without
is
making it heavy, so it will be dal. So that is not correct. Yes, dal is soft letter, but va is
of
soft and heavy. Of, my cheeks are coming out. See?
of
Okay. Yes.
is
I hold
Oz.
the air in my mouth while reading this. So how do you read it?
Of
Of,
is
of,
Oz.
of. The cheeks are coming out. Of,
Of
of.
is Oz.
Very good. So the heavy letters, one another, I think swad, do, to, va. Four heavy letters in order. So make different between va and the, dod and va, dod and va. It is dod, it is va, and val and za. Okay, these letters are very important. Okay, I will write them down here. So one was the, one minute, val. Okay, val, za, va, and bod. See, these four letters are very important because in Urdu we pronounce all the letter with this letter za. We pronounce dal, za, va also za, and bod also za. So therefore we need to do more practice to make all the letters perfect sound, perfect pronunciation. Okay, so we need to pronounce dal as Arabic, as an Arabic letter because it is soft
the,
and simple. Soft, you need to make soft letter, soft it, like with your edge of your tongue, dal. Okay, with the edge of your tongue and upper teeth edge, dal. And this one is simple, za, we read it easily. But this one is va, not za, not zalim. Zalim mean zalim with this za. But volume, that is volume, soft and heavy. And this one is dod, dod. This is not va and za and dal. So how to read them? This one is dal, this one is za, and this one is va, and this one is dod. Got it? Yes, in this way, you need to read them properly. So it is enough for today for you. And it was very good with you, inshallah. See you again, inshallah. Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah. You can call your brother.